Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 3. We are learning Unit 5. Its title is Safe Environment. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today under the title of Oral Communication Skill, Pronunciation Skills, we are going to learn about diagraphs. Before this in English for grade 2, I have taught you about diagraphs. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again, and we are going to learn further to articulate and identify words containing diagraphs. And trigraphs we are not discussing right now. Our focus is diagraphs only, and where these diagraphs may occur in a word at initial, middle or final position. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah An-Najm, verse 10. And he revealed to his servant what he revealed. That is conveyed. Yes, my dear students, what this beautiful verse is telling us. Better, this beautiful verse is telling us about the truthfulness of our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Whatever our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam conveyed to us, it was a message of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He did not say anything himself. He conveyed all the message of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And this is what this verse is. He revealed to his servant. Whatever Allah told our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he told to us. Okay. Now look at these words. Revealed. What? Revealed. Now you see these words. There are two, but they are making one sound, right? So what this type of combination are known? How do we say words? Now I will not read it. You will read it. How do we say it, and what are diagraphs? Pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope you could read these words. Wrench, phonics, shark. So such type of combination where two letters are making one sound are known as diagraphs. This we have already studied. So, a group of two letters that make a single sound is called a digraph. I told you, better di means two and digraph means two letters, one sound. Two letters, one sound. So, what happens basically, both letters drop their own sound and together make a new sound. Its example is, it can be a consonant digraph or a vowel digraph. Means if both letters are consonant, it is called a consonant digraph. And if both letters are vowels, it is called a vowel digraph. For example, these two letters together make a new sound, that's ch sound, as in chair. These two letters make a new sound, as in think and that. And these two letters, they drop their own sound and make a new sound, as sh in shampoo, right? So these are the examples of consonant digraphs. Now this digraph, wherever you find these two letters together, the sound will remain ch, as in chair, as in ketchup, as in march. March, you know, the army, the Fauji parade, okay. Bunch, torch, sandwich. Now you see, wherever we find these two letters together, we say it as ch. Thermos, father, cloth, shell, fish, push, fawn, trophy, dolphin. Now, what we learned so far, wherever this combination of these two letters, this diagraph occur, we'll pronounce it in the same way. It is at the beginning, cheer. It is in the middle, ketchup. It is at the end, march. But the sound remains ch, cheer, ketchup, march. Right? So this is on different positions in a word, but sound is ch. The next is 13, leather, broth. So it's the initial position, its middle position, its final position, but the sound remains the or th. Phonic, trophy, graph. Okay, so it's the initial position, middle position, final position, but this combination PH together is giving first sound as in phonics, trophy, graph. Okay, sh, as in sh, it's the initial position, mushroom, it's the middle position, ash is the final position, but SH together is giving sh sound as sh, mushroom, ash. So this is how we identify digraphs and we pronounce it. Are you clear with the concept? Okay, let's practice it through an activity. Teacher will divide the class in groups of 5. In every group, there will be 5 students and teacher will assign one diagraph to one group and each student in the group will make one word by using assigned diagraph. For example, if a group is given ch sound, they can make cheer, lunch, bench, chop, French. You see, this diagraph at different position you will use it and you will show it to your teacher. Okay, pause the video, enjoy this activity. Everyone is going to participate and after that come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. It's time for practice from your book. So here is question 3. These are diagrams given to you and by using these diagrams you have to complete these words and also say these words. So pause the video, complete this question in your book and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Okay, here is your homework. You will underline and write words containing diagraph from this story. So in your unit 5, wherever you find a word containing diagraph, you will underline it and you can make a list in your copy as well. So here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practicing the diagrams. So what we have learned today? We learned the concept of diagraph and we articulated, identified and practiced the difference between individual sound and digraphs, and we learned to articulate and identify words that contains digraphs in initial, middle and final position. So we achieved our SLO to articulate and identify words containing digraphs in initial, middle and final positions. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.